जहां अबाल वृद्ध सबके लिए हमारी विरासत क्या है, हमारी धरोहर क्या है, हमारी आस्था क्या है, हमारा अध्यात्म क्या है, हमारी परंपरा क्या है, हमारी संस्कृति क्या है, हमारी प्रकृति क्या है, इन सबको इस परिसर में समेटा हुआ है। ये आने वाली पीढ़ियों को प्रेरित करेगा। यहाँ भारत का हर रंग दिखता है।
मैनेजमेंटना સૌ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે આ સક્સેસ સ્ટોરી પ્રોજેક્ટ તરીકે લઈને સમજવા જેવી છે.
All built by 80,000 selfless volunteers, completed in less than 6 months. This is unmatchable, and there is so much for even the best global corporates to learn.
And it's absolutely amazing what you have done. One would not have ever imagined that the way you have kept the place and the way you have thought through each item of construction, the meaning behind the construction, what it attributes to.
There must be a lesson in this to be taught in terms of land management. Here, of course, you've set up a facility, you want to get the land back. But look at the trust that is reposed in you. I'm not an outsider. I draw strength from the resonance of your work.
I built 9 airports. I built airports in the world. But today it is completely mesmerized by this one. I don't have words to this. No corporate can do this type of this one.
This is not spirituality that takes you away from worldly challenges. This is spirituality that strengthens you to face the real world challenges.
And so if you fast forward to today, again, it doesn't surprise me that women have a significant role in Pramukh Swami Mahotsav centenary celebration, in the building of this nagar, in the running of the Premvatis. It doesn't surprise me whatsoever. Women are more than 50% of the Sanstha, and their abilities, skills, talents have been recognized from the very beginning.
If you want to experience a truly integrated version of spirituality, that integrates across ages, facets of life, this is a very unique and very well done combination of all of them. The consistent message I got through all of it was kind of integration. Like they've taken kind of some of these deeper teachings and married it with a very engaging, entertaining presentation in a variety of ways. So I was struck by that.
जो यहाँ पे आके मुझे सबसे अच्छी चीज़ लगी कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोगों में ठहराव है, कि कोई धक्का मुक्की नहीं है, इतने लोग बाहर मौजूद हैं बट ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि यहाँ पे लोग हैं. तो जो प्यार है ऐसा लोगों में देखा है कि एक दूसरे की केयर कर रहे हैं लोग.
As I was going round first, I was very excited to see the way they care for the environment. Where we went to the place where they were recycling the waste and plastic waste, and I think that is something to take home. That environment is our first responsibility because it's a planet that we are living in.
I think it's an exhilarating, unbelievable experience. Unless you come here and see what is here, you can't believe something like this can exist. Because so beautifully conceptualized, so beautifully created, so beautifully maintained. I wonder if human beings can actually make this happen. At the scale and the beauty and the concept that it has been designed and the way it is maintained and managed. 80,000 plus volunteers spending 12-13 hours a day for 30 to 45 days is unbelievable.
The volunteerism is, I don't think of it as a slogan or just as a description. It is actually a power in our society.
I come obviously from the media world, and also most of the work in the commercial organization is conditional. I give something, what is that I get in return? But organizations like this, volunteer-based organization, is selfless service. There has to be something from within.
If you can have an organization which runs without being incentivized either for, let's say, money or promotion or anything, and you're just doing it out of sheer love and sheer pride for the organization. I think that is a dream for a leader.
मेरी तो ये इच्छा है कि ये एक परमानेंट स्थल बन जाए, ताकि बच्चों को संस्कार का संचालन कैसे हो, बड़ों को जीवन जीने का नियम कैसा हो, वो सारे जो मार्गदर्शन रहे स्वामी के, वो सतत हमारे साथ रहे.
The child who guided us through this, when he asked me what I felt about it, my response to him was that India is safe in your hands. That if these are the children that are coming up, then our worrying about the future of India is meaningless.
I go back with a different sense of what I feel our own people are capable. India will rise if that sense of pride, that sense of accomplishment, that sense of discipline, that sense of working together, all of it is there.